Hi, this is Ben Sykes. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Thought we'd try something pretty simple this time. There's a quick way to just hide some sections on the IndySoft main screen. There might be portions of the main screen that you just don't use. There's a lot that we have there, or you've got certain segments of employees that you have in your organization, and maybe they don't need certain parts of it. So different groups of people can have different home layouts. So per home layout in IndySoft, you can choose make the election to hide different sections that are available on the main screen. So the sections that I'm going to describe here, there's a couple items under the search report menu here, that you can hide from the home view. So a couple items that are here, you have the ability to hide the entire search report screen here. Then there's a few major tabs that you can hide, like the pending work. You can either hide this entire tab, or you could hide individual sections here, all 6 of these. You could hide the entire order system for certain groups of people, or hide a few of these sections that are on the right on the equipment view panel here. So keep in mind all of these hiding type of decisions are specific to a home layout, and you can have as many home layouts as you'd like. So this doesn't have to be a system-wide kind of thing. So to do this, just go to your home layouts that you want to edit. And if you're a system admin, say Edit Layout. So all of the merge items that I'm going to describe here, I've already added to the bottom of my home layout here in advance. And I've added them just with a dash here at the front just to make sure that they're temporarily disabled. So if you want to find these, go to the other grid on the right and just search on the word hide. And that'll take you to just about all of these that I'm about to demonstrate here. So just double click on those and place them at the bottom of your home layouts if you want to use any of these options. So keep in mind any of these merge items that you place into your layout after this delete after merge item, that won't be shown in your home layout. So first let's just demonstrate. I'll put these in a couple sections here. So these top 2 options for hide Certs search menu and hide company search menu, these apply to the search menu right here. Maybe you don't want to give someone the ability to search by company from this menu here. You want them to be a little more targeted in, or if you don't want them to search by the certificate number, then both of these menu items could be hidden. So if we enable that here and then save our layout, then when we refresh our main screen, come back in, then from the search report, both those menu items have been removed. So let's continue the hiding here. So this next section, you can hide the schedule pane and the search by pane. So that means back on the main screen, the schedule pane is to the right of the equipment view. It's this section right here. So a lot of times you would have that same type of information duplicated in your equipment layout. You already have that on the scheduling here. So if you want to hide that, you can include that item right there. Or the search by pane is a bigger section. So that would hide the entire menu here for search report. So that would only be practical maybe on the home view if you've already targeted people in to hyperlinks that are available on the home view that accomplish all the searching that they would need. Or maybe you just want them accessing this flowchart and you don't want to bother trying to hide each individual search report that you don't want them looking at. Then just include this search item here, or this merge item. So let's hide those 2 sections and demonstrate. So now that my main screen is refreshing here, you can see the search report is now completely hidden, and the scheduling section on the right is now hidden also. So this next section here, all 6 of these items correspond to the different detail sections that you have available on the left of the pending work. So you've got these work order items, document sign-offs, event sign-offs, template assignments, template approvals, vendor POs. There's a lot of different things that, a lot of different piles of pending work. And maybe there's a couple of these sections that you never use. So why bother even having these icons here? So pick any of these sections in order to hide them. So let's pick just maybe 3 of these to hide. So let's hide the document sign-offs, the template approvals, and the vendor PO. So you can demonstrate what that looks like. So I'll refresh here. So now, after I've refreshed my home screen here, now we're down to just 3 of these icons on the pending work tab. So we're moving through these here. The final 2 options enable you to hide entire tabs here. So say you just didn't need any of this, these particular sections on the pending work, you could just hide this entire tab. Or if there's maybe groups of employees that you have using IndySoft that you don't want using the order system, then rather than trying to block that in terms of security or training, then just remove that tab for them. So both of these items could be used in order to hide those 2 major tabs. So I'll save that and then do a refresh. So now after the refresh here, now we're about as simple as we can get. Home view, equipment view, no pending work, no order system, an events menu, no search reports, and just add edits. So there you go, some quick ways to hide different sections in IndySoft. Thanks.